Oh, these are funky. They are funky, which means we got success in the Is the camera moving?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we are making a breakfast quesadilla. So typically vegans use scrambled tofu for their egg replacement, but today we're gonna use mashed chickpeas. I've already rinsed and drained these bad boys, so let's get to mashing like I just said that. Now I'm not gonna mash these until they're all mush, but I do wanna get it into a nice consistency. Now these little skin pieces, I don't particularly care for them, so I take them out. I'm not gonna get them all obviously, but the majority that I see, they gotta go. Alright guys, this is good enough to my liking. There is still some skin in here, and there's still some whole pieces, but I don't mind the texture. I just didn't want obviously whole, are these called kernels? Whole beans? I didn't want whole chickpeas, okay? As usual, to get anything that tastes like eggs, you're gonna need some black salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon to our chickpeas. We got success in the flavoring because these things was funky. My temperature is set to 350. I don't know if that's degrees or...
I gotta be a better chef. I gotta teach y'all real measurements and stuff.
I'm gonna put a little bit of butter here because I like my eggs in butter. Let's add our eggy chickpeas. Y'all know it's not a chocolate vegan video if I don't forget something. Let's put some turmeric on here for color. While that cooks, I'm gonna add some oil to the other side, and we're gonna do our other veggies. I pre-prepped some bell peppers, some onions, and some tomatoes, but I'm gonna wait a while before I put that on the grill. Adding some salt. And some pepper. Gotta add a little pepper to my chickpeas as well. Alright, gonna go ahead and combine these bad boys. Go ahead and add your tomatoes. And let's throw in some spinach. Alright, now that our spinach has wilted, let's go ahead and get our tortilla. Is that my lip? A little bit more oil. Damn. This is the same cheese from the pizza video, Daya cutting board series. Put that right on there. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it's okay. Ooh, yes. Got enough for another one. Flip. With the other one, guys, I'm gonna add some garlic powder because I feel like it's gonna up the flavor. All right, this bad boy is done. Go ahead and unplug. So you guys remember me? Introduce yourself. There you go. She said, "Yep." Don't. Okay. What else? Okay. Moving on. Okay, guys, I have plated all 4 slices of our quesadilla. Unfortunately, I don't remember which is which I added a garlic powder to and which I did not. So we're going to go with it. That is so good. You want some? So I'm gonna assume the one on the other side. Let me make sure because that's really good. I'm thinking that was the garlic one. They're both really good. With and without garlic. Mmm. Guys, you gotta make this. I put out on Instagram if anybody wanna come over and eat. So I'll see if I can get you guys a carnivore, but if not, you gotta take my word for it. It's so easy. That took like 5 minutes. You let the veggies cook for like what? A minute. Add the tomatoes, 30 seconds for those. Tortilla, cheese, you're done. So quick, so easy, so delicious. With or without garlic powder. You like it? Okay. So Allergy Steve is back. I I did not tell him what's inside this one. Obviously, you guys know it's not peppers and onions.
Okay.
So he's gonna give our breakfast quesadilla a try.
Can't wait. I hope that this is good.
I hope so too.
I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
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 How's that texture?
There's not a lot of crunch in it.
Okay. You like more crunch? Oh, the outside sear.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Because
I think what it was, because I planned on you being late, I was about to put it in the oven.
Oh.
And so I didn't crunch.
But I'm on time.
He was on time. That was my fault. So make sure it's, that was
Yeah, but I'm gonna dip this in here though.
Okay, of course. All right, so second round will be the chickpea scramble.
Yes.
Y'all.
Okay. I was gonna go straight for it.
Just go straight on in there, you know.
Or you like it better?
Oh. Had some more texture in there for you, yes. So the first one
The
was
chickpeas, the tortilla is like more firm, so.
I don't think I said it before, because I did taste the Follow Your Heart off camera. I also prefer the chickpea, the texture. I'm not a big fan of Follow Your Heart unless it's in like a breakfast sandwich. Y'all country people, y'all know.
Exactly.
I'm from Atlanta.
Or if it's like a metaphor.
Ooh.
Follow your heart.
I don't even understand that.
Like your passion. Not the actual egg substitute. Do not follow any egg substitutes. They're liars. They're not even real.
They're phony. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Oh, and I see other YouTubers saying hit the notification bell. I don't know if that sends y'all annoying emails, but hit it and let me know if it's annoying or if it's a good thing.